Alright guys, we're here at the block at Orange. There is a line. It's about almost 3 o'clock Sunday afternoon. It's typically about 30-minute wait. Alright, we're gonna park and let's go. Alright guys, we're at the front of the line. Almost there. Yep, it was about 30-minute wait. We do have LeBron from last time. Alright guys, we're at the bigger size. We're gonna check to see any heat. Alright, so we're here at the basketball bigger size. We have these Airsoon BB necks. Someone returned it, 180 plus 20% off. Okay. Alright, we have these Why Not Zeros in this black colorway, size 11.5, 99. We still have these Dion's from last time I was here. Going for 49. So we have these Airspan 2s finally in the wall, out of the aisles. We have these almost like a bread colorway Jordan Aerospace 720s, 150. We have these LeBron Witness. There's a couple of them here for this, $79.99. Next to it, you have these. What is this one? Harry Flycraft 3 retail minus 20%. They have these winterized the 6 rings in this colorway. I've seen the brown ones a lot. This is the first time I've seen this almost bread colorway. And what is this one? Air Vapor Max wing print. It's a nice colorway, guys. They do have some soccer cleats here. The Vapor Edge 95 retail though. These Kyrie 6 size 9. Got this Airsoon Nike cord. Okay. These soccer cleats, the Phantom Venom cleat. 99 from 250. Great price. More of that Aerospace 20. We have these Giannis. Full price up. We have a couple of these Air Max 95s. They're actually now in the hash wall. These Air Max 200s. They do have a LeBron 179. We have another LeBron for you guys. Smaller sizes, size 7. And these triple whites are still here. Let's see, they do have the cloth in a smaller size, $79.99, size 7. Shots. And you have soccer shoes, the Phantom Venom Pro PGs. This one, 79. Another BS Pro in this colorway. So there are these Kyrie 6 in this colorway. Full size run from 7 to 14, you guys. And you have these the Zoom Freaks 89 in this colorway. From size 8 to 14, so they're in the aisles. I get to see these, but they are here. Nike ACG. Here's her retail price. These Jordan Pro Toe Rack C, and these here. It's like 109 from 160. You do have full size front. These look like Foot Locker returns, so they're in the outlet. Just checking the aisles again. They have these Air Force One Gtx. They're full size front. Looks like retail. And they have these LeBron Low in the white metallic gold. Actually in the aisles. Retail price up. And right next to it, they have the LeBron Witness in the red colorway. And the triple white LeBron Witness 3 for $79.99. Just a quick look at the cleats, you guys. They have these Phantom Venom Academy FG in this colorway. They have them in the full size run. They have them the Superfly 7 Club FG. Another one, Vapor Club FGMG. This one, and then finally the Vapor Phantom Venom Club. They have them in full size runs. Just a quick look down the aisle. Guys, quick look at the tailwind aisle. We have these like 3-4 different colorways. Just a quick look at the clearance, you guys. We have apparel plus additional discount off. As you can see, there's 20% off. I'm just gonna check to see what they have. They have these hoodies. Jordan brand, Jordan, JDI, Rams. You have football jersey, but these are old. Some polos, you guys. Sorry about the music. The music is really loud. I check the other aisle or rack. Just looking at this clearance rack, apparel and stuff that they have. So for Jordan boys, you have these apparel, 30% off for the bags. So the Jordan logo from $85.49 plus $15 off, so they're like $35. More apparel for Jordan, 50% off for these. Just a quick look, you guys. You have sweats and everything else. They do have Laker jerseys for kids. Alright, so we still have these Laker jerseys on sale. The last time I was here, they had them they were hiding in the little corner. Now they're kind of prominent. I have them here, various sizes. They're the Swingman for $70 for kids. Alright guys, we're in the men's apparel. They have these Jordan branded, look like the DMP type t-shirt for $14.99. They have other Jordan branded ones. Hoodies. They have the t-shirts for $2 for $25. Typically it's $2 for $30, so this is all like $5 off. So they have a lot of different ones for you guys. They have these triple whites in the women's, full price, but 20% off. Size 10, so 8.5 in men. And right below that, you guys, they have the Paper Max 360, $149. Just checking the women, see if anything stands out. We have these Air Max 98s, 8.5s. The good price, $84.97. Quick look at the Vapor Max that they have in the women aisle. You have these 98s. Again, the 97 49ers. Almost like the bread. 95s, Air Max 90s, and Element 55s. Right. We do have a restock right there. We'll see what they have. Alright guys, sorry about being all over the place, but I did find the Space Hippies. Size 16. Oh my god, how big is that? Freaking huge. Look at that. Someone returned it. So, guys, we do have the LeBron low, the Space Jams. Alright, I'm gonna try to reach for you guys. So there is the ISPA. This was the same design that Kanye was seen wearing a couple months ago. Alright guys, thank you again for joining me here at another Nike Outlet Vlog at Block Nike Factory Store. We did pick up a couple of things for the last day of the coupon, so I could show that later on today. So there was a lot of heat, especially for the smaller sizes, especially like a lot of LeBron 17 lows, like Toon Squad, the Lakers colorway, and they had an additional 20% off the hash wall, so that was pretty good. And then if you had that $40 off 150 purchase, that would have made it a steal pretty much. Alright guys, thank you again for joining me here at another Nike Outlet Vlog. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please comment, like, share down below. Alright you guys, until the next video, peace out. Alright guys, just a quick video of the pickups for today from Orange. We got this one, Nike Airspan 2. Was $35. at the wall plus discounts, so it came out to around 20 bucks. And also this one at the wall, the Element 87 was 89 plus discounts. The Android All Black came out to around $50. No hype on these shoes anymore. That's the price. Until next time, you guys.